Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I hope you have gone through my previous video where I was discussing about the reduced syllabus for this academic year in chemistry subject. So, I did my first video based on that one and I have uploaded that one. If you have not gone through, please check that one. I'm going to mention the link in the description box. That was about the physical chemistry. Okay, so I went through that one where in case of a physical chemistry, all the chapters are there, but in between some concept been deleted. Okay, no increase in the weightage of the topic and everything. The weightage is same and all the chapters will be same, but in between the topics been deleted. Please do concentrate on that one. So that part we have completed, and now let us move to an inorganic chemistry. So dear students, you have to pay much attention to the inorganic chemistry because there is a lot of changes in case of inorganic. Thing is, a complete chapter been deleted, that is principle and process of isolation of elements, where in short we're going to call it as a metallurgy. So that complete topic is deleted. Okay, I'm repeating, in case of inorganic chemistry, previous year there was a 4 chapters. Now you have only 3 chapters. Okay, now the question comes, see, the metallurgy chapter has a 6 marks weightage. So obviously we have to balance the 6 marks. So the 6 marks being added over 1 marks to the P block elements and the remaining marks are added to the coordination compound. So you had to concentrate on that one. Metallurgy was, I think, 4 marks question. Sorry, it was a 4 marks chapter. So it's been went to P block elements and the coordination compound. Okay, so now let us go with the P block elements. So the deleted chapter I'm going to discuss. So in case of a deleted chapters, the oxides of nitrogen, that too only the structures. Okay, in case of oxides of nitrogen, see, nitrogen series is there, nitrogen family, in that only the structure of a nitrogen, oxides of a nitrogen, that is nitrogen monoxide or N2O, NO2, like that, those structures been deleted. So no need to concentrate, no need to study, no need to practice the structures of oxides of nitrogen. And then phosphorus, allotropic forms of phosphorus, and the entire phosphorus part is deleted. Okay, I'm repeating, entire phosphorus part, whether it includes a reaction and everything, allotropic forms, and the entire part been deleted. And in case of the sulfuric acid, you have the method of industrial method of preparation of a sulfuric acid by the contact process, that is deleted. Okay, so now except these, all the part in case of a P block elements been retained. Okay, so that you have to concentrate. So here what happens, so as I told you, 1 mark from the metallurgy being added to P block elements. Okay, so there 1 mark question that been added from the like a metallurgy weightage, that one question should be from the noble gas. Okay, either it may be question number 6 or 7. So one question should be from the noble gases, so that where you can get easy marks from that one. So that is one, and still a lot of part is there. See, and then what happens in case of P block elements, question number 19, okay, that comes in part C, 20, 21. Continuous 3 questions will be from the P block elements. Okay, and here what happens, question number 19, that is a part C, first question is compulsory from the nitrogen series. Like they may ask you the preparation of ammonia from Haber's process, usually they used to ask that only. Okay, so question number 19, nitrogen series question, compulsory will come. And question number 20 should be from the oxygen series. Okay, any question from the oxygen series. Okay, it may includes if I say oxygen series, it comes like a sulfur will also come over there. Okay, any question from the oxygen or from the sulfur, like a concentrate, more you have to concentrate on a sulfur dioxide preparation, since H2SO4 been deleted. So instead from the oxygen series you may get the question on sulfur dioxide. Okay, please do concentrate on that one. And 21st question should be from the halogen series. Okay, it regarding a fluorine, chlorine, bromine, like that. Okay, preparation of a HCl they may ask you. So one question from like halogen series should be for the question number 21. Okay, so do concentrate, and 1 mark weightage been increased for the p block elements according to the new blueprint. Okay, so now the next topic from the inorganic, that is D and F block elements. Okay, so in case of a D and F block elements, the deleted part is the important compounds of a transition elements. Important compounds of a transition elements, there were two, like potassium permanganate preparation and potassium dichromate preparation. Their properties, everything was there. So the entire part of a potassium permanganate and K2Cr2O7 is deleted. Its properties, its oxidation nature, and everything is deleted. Now next part is under lanthanoids concentrate. This is a little confusing. Entire lanthanoids is not deleted, but under lanthanoids the chemical reactivity of a lanthanoids been deleted. Means how it will going to react with a halogens, like a nitrogen, like a hydrogen. So those chemical reactivity of lanthanoids deleted. And in case of actinoids, its electronic configuration, its oxidation state, and comparison with the lanthanoids is deleted. Then which part is kept means under lanthanoids you have the electronic configuration and you have lanthanide contraction, its consequences, that part been kept or retained. Okay, so please do concentrate on that one. Now question number 14. Okay, so in the part B, question number 14 for 2 marks, one question will be from the F block elements. Okay, should be from the F block elements, and that too it should be based on electronic configuration, like a lanthanoid contraction, actinoid contraction, and consequences. So now again concentrate here. In case of actinoids, its electronic configuration, oxidation state, and comparison with the lanthanoids is deleted, but its actinide contraction, its consequences, lanthanoid contraction, and the electronic configuration of a lanthanoid has been kept. So question number 14 and maybe some reasoning question based on this one, okay, will be compulsory. And in case of a question number 22, 23, compulsory. See, earlier it was like in the previous year, if you have gone through the previous year question paper, one preparation was compulsory, either potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate. Now it's been deleted means, so question number 22, 23, 3 marks question should be on the properties of a D block elements. Around 6 to 7 properties will going to get, like how, why D block elements acts as a good catalyst, why they are involved in the formation of a complex, why they show the magnetic property, why they are color in nature. So, and these are all the like some reasoning questions or some properties. So 2 questions of 3 marks should be on a properties of a D block element. So dear students, it gets very easy to concentrate and to study. So you got to know here that 22, 23 are based on a properties. So if you learn those properties, which are very easy actually, the common properties, common reasons you can say over there. So if you go through this one, then the entire, like how much, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 marks you can earn very easily. So this is about the D and F block elements. Now the weightage of the coordination compound is actually increased. Okay, that you have to concentrate. Okay, so since the metallurgy chapter is deleted from the inorganic, there from the 3 marks question is added to the coordination, so its weightage automatically increased. So which is the deleted part in case of a coordination is entire isomerism. It may be a structural isomerism, it may be a geometrical isomerism. The entire isomerism part of a coordination compound is deleted, and even the importance and the application of coordination compound is deleted. Repeating, importance and the application of a coordination compound is deleted. Now, usually in the previous year, 1 or 2 questions were compulsory from the isomerism. But if that part is deleted means the remaining part will get a more importance. Okay, so one question like this, question number 24, 25, 26 will be from the coordination, where the 25th question is VBT. Okay, valency bond theory. So even the last year was also where 4 applications are there, 2 nickel compounds and 2 cobalt compounds are there. So one VBT diagram you had to put. That's for 3 marks. 25th question will be from there, must. Okay, And the 24th question might be, it is not compulsory from that only. If you check the model question paper, you have got the same question from 24th. So that's why I have written it as a CFT, crystal field theory, that you have a two diagrams for octahedral complex and for a tetrahedral complex. So based on those, regarding the what spectrochemical series question might appear. So 24th question will be maybe from the CFT. So you have to concentrate on that one. And 26th question may be from the metal carbonyls. Maybe, not compulsory, from the metal carbonyl. They may ask you the bonding, or they may ask you the stability. Okay, they may ask you the structure, like that. So 24, 25, 26. Earlier it was only 2 questions, 3 marks been added. So 3 questions will be from the coordination compound. So 3 marks weightage has been increased. Now what is the total weightage of the inorganic? P block elements, 1 mark is added, so 11, and D and F block elements 8 marks. Earlier it was also 8, and the coordination compound, it's been increased. So it was 6 earlier, now it is 9. So total weightage of inorganics 28 marks. Okay, I hope this is clear from the inorganic part. Please do concentrate on the deleted, okay, and just if you know the retained syllabus, then you can concentrate more on that one and you can earn good marks, like that. So do concentrate on a coordination compound. I hope you find this one useful. So in my next video, let us concentrate on a organic chemistry. Okay, I hope you find this one useful. Thank you.